is. Still have some coffee. Hey, this is getting cold here. I'm gonna have coffee. My birds are waiting for us. So on this side, when I have my operation, I have to do this electrolyte. My stomach hurts. I like stirring the skin. I'm going to make cake. So I'm just gonna make a little bit of pancake, just pancake for Isabella. She wants pancake for breakfast. Yeah. Kalat na naman. Lang kasi yan kaayos yan mga yan. And I'm going to good thing I can tie my hair now. It's not sore anymore. I've been able to tie up my hair. Mukha tayong bruha. Anyway. Alright, there you go. Pancake's ready. Sunog na yung pancake. Isabella's pancake's ready for breakfast. There you go, pancake.
Can I have butter? What do I have to do?
This is my home. So every morning, in the morning, we don't eat a big breakfast. Isn't it, Isabella? So this is usually our breakfast. Isabella having a pancake, I have coffee, or sometimes Calvin will have toast, that's all. Brunch, okay? So when it comes brunch, I cook bacon and egg with toast, with tomato, and but that would be including for lunch na rin. That's why we call it brunch. We don't really eat a big breakfast because Isabella's going to school, so I made pancake for her. And look, I got this one from Nadine last night. She bought it from Asian shop. Let's see. Alright, darling, because I'm going to fix your hair. So guys, after I wash all the dishes, I have to dry it. I would sometimes I leave it there to be dry and then put it away. But I think yung mga tao dito may pagka-OCD. Okay. Kailangan naka-organize. Malinis ang bahay. Maintain na malinis at hindi makalat. Like this one guys, dapat naka-organize siya. Kailangan malinis yan. Nagagamit ako kapag may mga ano dyan. Ayan. dyan. Ano ba yan? So, ganyan siya guys. Kailangan nakaayos siya. And dito naman, andito yung mga mugs namin. Ayan, may buhok pa. Punasan ko na yan, pero kasi nga, because of the fireplace, it's easily get dust. Used to be 6, 4 na lang. And dito naman sa pangatlo, this is all ours. This one used to be 4, nabasag ni Margaret. And this one, this is where we went to IKEA because it used to be 4, ngayon 3 na lang. Guys, Isabella broke one, so dinagdagan namin.
I that one.
Another one?
I brought that one.
This one? Yeah, this one. So, ilan na lang tong flight namin? 1, 2, 7.
That was you brought that.
Yeah, I broke one pala.
The
Sorry.
microwave.
And sa microwave. Hanggat maaari. Magkakaterno siya pero wala eh. And this is all the Tupperware goes. Yan. Pag ako ang nagsasalansa, I want it like. So, I like it color coordinated. When I this one. Pati sa mga damit. Yan. Talagang, tulad ngayon, nakalat na naman siya. Ay, talaga naman, guys. Oh, put it later. And this one, we keep it when we buy takeaway food. As long na still okay, I'll keep it. Para kung if someone comes here and they have takeaway food, itong pinapadala ko sa kanila. I'll keep it. Pag makalat yan, nagagalit talaga ako. And I'm going to fix Isabella's hair. Wash our dirty clothes. Kung may mga right, first load. It's my first time myself here at home. So my son, he just left. So I'm just going to, it's pretty hard to make a video when you are holding something. But 3 cups of rice. Wash, 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 wash. And I use this water. You know what, guys? Since I'm just by myself here, and it's quite warm in the house, because look, so we use this one. We only use this one every winter. It's quite expensive to use the electric heater. This is our wood fire, our heater. I already cleaned the house. As you can see, guys, we only have simple and not too much of furnitures. We don't put a lot of furniture. So yung mga ibang gamit, pinamigay na namin kay mama. Simple lang siya, guys. So, I'm still have flowers from Calvin's boss, or from Calvin's company. Pinadala nila sa akin. So, it's been over a month na, pero okay pa, oh. I bought this one like 3 years ago. Lahat ng salamin. Yan, binili ko yan. I love mirrors. So, yan. Simple lang. Hindi kalakihan, pero ang importante, may bahay na matutuluyan, di ba? going to fold all these dry clothes.